What's cooking? Welcome to the second episode of Vision Kitchen Chronicles. Can you guess what we're cooking today? Judging by the ingredients, I'll give you a minute. That's right, we are cooking homemade ranch dressing. Before we get started, let's go over some rules for successful cooking. Number 1, if you're under the age of 18, please check with an adult. Every family has different rules when it comes to young adults cooking. Number 2, read the recipe more than once. Read through the recipe you are planning to make at least twice before you begin. Number 3, get organized. Mise en place. It's easy to set yourself up for success in the kitchen. Just be as organized as you can be before you begin cooking. Have you ever made homemade dressing before? Typically, we don't. We go to the store, we pick up a bottle of ranch dressing, and we keep it moving. But today, guess what? Chef Andrew's going to teach you how to make your own homemade ranch dressing from scratch. Remember, fresh is always best. So let's go ahead and dive right on into the ingredients. Alright, so let's get started. Prep time is about 10 minutes and 1 hour to chill. So probably an hour and 10 minutes at best. We're going to take 1/2 cup of mayonnaise and pour it into the bowl. Next, we're going to pour 1/2 cup of sour cream. Next, we're going to add 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of fresh dill. And make sure you chop up your fresh dill very finely there. Next, we're going to do chopped fresh parsley, chopped up. Next, we're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Here, you see how little and cute these little measuring cups are? Oh, the cutest. I love everything in, by the way. Just saying. Okay. Next, we're going to do 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Next, we're going to do 1 teaspoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And next, we're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then the last ingredient we're going to add in is fresh ground black pepper. Just a dash. Just a dash. There we go. And if you want to add a little kick to your ranch dressing, you can definitely add some sriracha to it. So, because I like a little kick to my ranch dressing, I'm going to do 1 swirl, which is probably about maybe a teaspoon of sriracha. Just 1 swirl around. Okay, so 1 teaspoon of sriracha is perfect. But if you want to amp it up to make it a little bit more spicy, you can go to a whole tablespoon. It's up to you, but I prefer just 1 teaspoon. Let's go ahead and whisk everything up. Very good. So you can whisk really good. Get all those ingredients blended well together. And if you notice when you're looking at the grocery store ranch dresses that you buy all the time, it looks similar to this. You just have to make sure all your ingredients are blended very well together. Alright, so here we are. We're going to go ahead and pour the ranch dressing into the bottle. Now, this is another alternative. Instead of using the bowl to try to make sure you get all the ingredients into a little squeezy bottle, you can definitely use a funnel, or like I'm doing right here, just using your measuring cup because it has that narrow tip there. So all the ingredients will go into the bottle here. So we're going to go ahead and refrigerate that for 1 hour. Let it chill. We'll bring it back out, and then we will go ahead and I'll show you a dish that you can use with this homemade ranch dressing. You're gonna love it, trust me. We'll be back in just a little bit. We're back. Our ranch dressing is finally chilled in the refrigerator for 1 hour. So guess what it's time for? It's taste time. That's right, we're gonna go ahead and taste our ranch dressing with my Harvest grilled chicken salad that I prepared. We'll get to that recipe later. Yum, yum, yummy. Has my sweet potatoes and grilled chicken and cauliflower and tomatoes and cheese and pickled onions. I'm going to teach you all how to make those pickled onions later. Just hold on a second. We're going to drizzle some of this ranch dressing over the salad, like so. Alright, so let's dive in. Ranch dressing is nice and drizzled on this salad. So I am going to give you time to taste. Okay, sorry. Back to regular program. I'm telling you, homemade ranch dressing is better than store-bought ranch dressing. Just saying. It is delicious, it's creamy, and you will love this a lot better than the one in the store. Make your own. Remember, fresh is best. I'm gonna dig back into this salad because it is still delicious with this homemade ranch dressing. Love you. I'll see you all soon. Bye bye. Alright, thank you guys for watching today. Hopefully you'll tune in next time for our episode 3. Be sure to go out to our social media websites, Facebook and Instagram, Vision Enterprises Unlimited. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, Vision Kitchen Chronicles. We'll see you again later. Bye-bye. You and you. And you're gonna love